Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to day number 5, and well, that is not my motorcycle, that's not Sardinia. Well, that happens if you forget to film an intro on Sardinia. So this time, you know, I'm on vacation, I'm editing the videos, and I just figured out I have no intro, so that's what I'm doing on vacation. My little scooter right here. So day number 5, stay tuned for that one. We're gonna figure out how Ralph gets a little bit more handsome than he is. We're gonna stroll around the island. We're gonna have some really nice red tarmac time. And for that, again, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe down here below. And now we roll the intro. So again, welcome back to day number 5 of our Sardinia tour. We're back here on the famous SS125 and we're hitting to Bonnet, and from there we start our day. Bonnet is a small mountain village in the province of Ogliastra. The village finds itself high in the mountains at around 480 meters above sea level and faces southwest with a location approximately just north of Cagliari and about 11 kilometers north of Tortoli. A little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. So before we have our first well-deserved break, of course we gotta enjoy some more red tarmac on the island. There's no way to pass over red tarmac without having fun. And I'll do it again. In preparation of our tour right here, we read the book of Ansgar Hillebrand about Sardinia, his road book, so we can only recommend this, and Ansgar recommended that we're gonna go down here these roads and get a little bit more country. I could have swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moonshine. Oh my. Turns out that Thanks to Ansgar and his recommendations, we've now met the neighborhood on this street right here. Hey girls, how's it going? May not know just where I'm at. No idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again. Okay, this is getting really country right here, so we are trying to get through these cows and try to find our way. So we managed to get peacefully through the cow family and we ended up here in the Goropedu Wild Reserve. Look at these landscapes right here, it was well worth it. We've decided to have our first break of the day here in the Wild Reserve and enjoy the nature and wander a little bit around. Well, some of us came prepared. Yeehaw! And I'll do it again. After this little excursion into the wildlife of Sardinia, we are craving for some civilization, so our next stop is Urzulai in the province of Nord. Urzulai is located about 100 kilometers northeast of Cagliari and about 25 kilometers northwest of Tortoli. As of the 31st of December 2004, it had a population of around 1,400 people and an area of around 130 square kilometers. So a small village, however, nice to visit. So wildlife couldn't give us a coffee and something cold to drink, but Olsi has everything for us available.
Sunday party, let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride.
After this well-deserved coffee, we're hitting the red tarmac again towards Talana on the SB69 and enjoying some twisties.
Wednesday, and I can't wait to get away. I'm counting down the minutes till it's Thursday. I'm holding on for one more day. I'm fighting every minute till the...
While we're enjoying ourselves on the red tarmac, we are receiving a request by Ralph via our intercom system. And of course, as good friends as we are, we're trying to accommodate every special request.
Sunday party, let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride.
Buongiorno. Do you have a haircut for men?
No.
No haircut.
No haircut.
Shoot!
Okay, that was not on us. This wish couldn't be fulfilled right here. However, let's not be frustrated. Let's have a look where we can find something and let's do this over some good lunch.
Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. The perfect weekend. The perfect weekend.
So the lunch was well needed and we heard about a super nice viewpoint on the island close to Talana. Let's have a look.
The best thing and the worst thing happened today.
We arrived at the Punto Panoramico di Talana, and this one gets its name from the town of Talana. The town is located above a valley at an elevation of almost 700 meters. The area has been occupied since the Bronze Age with many nurages nearby. It was part of the Giudicato of Cagliari in medieval times. Very nice views from here.
Driving 99 down the 405. Windows down and blaring third eye blind. Because I've never been so alone, and I've never been so alive. Driving 99 down the 405. Yeah, I'm moving on. I'm moving
Bikers make friends all around the globe, and we made friends from Germany, from Bavaria. These two gentlemen here came all the way down from Germany to Sardinia to enjoy as well the roads.
Best thing and the worst thing happened today. The best thing and the worst thing happened today. I'm moving on. I'm moving
On our way via the SS198, we are passing by Gairo di Santa Elena. October 1951, the whole city center has been destroyed through huge flooding. And in 1984, what you are seeing here has been rebuilt.
yeah.
next village that we are hitting is Loceri, also in the province of Nuoro. So from here, around 80 kilometers northeast is Cagliari and 11 kilometers southwest is Tortoli. We're using this village right here for another coffee break, and Ralph figured out what he can do about his barber topic. Ralph decides to pursue his barber topic again, while Marcus and I finish up our coffee, and we decided to meet back at the hotel.
You know that you got it, no doubt about it. They keep coming back for you. You're so hypnotic, no one can top it. They keep coming back.
Now look at that. There is a BMW R1250 GS Adventure parked in front of a barber shop. Who might that well be?
Get wild, you ain't gotta play it cool. Get wild, take a rocket to the moon. Get wild, get wild, get wild.
After our reunion of the group, we decide it's time to go back to the hotel and have some Negronis and some beer. So let's go to the hotel.
They keep coming back for. Oh, this beat is stupid. We're rocking to it. They keep coming back for. That style, that big smile. Go hard, child. Turn up the dial.
After having finally arrived at the hotel, we decided to go back to the beach, have some fish, enjoy the beach time, have a cold beer, and we hope that you liked what you've seen today. If you like this, please don't forget to leave a like right here. Comment also what you think of our tour. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for day number 6.
You know what you gotta do.